Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you think that someone has blocked you, so let's see how can you check or confirm this. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here just tap on this message option or chats to open all of your chats here. Now you just have to check the username of the person which you think that the person has blocked you. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and here you just have to tap on profile, and you just have to select or read the or check the username here. Once after the username, just go back, and you have to tap on this plus or add friends option. Go to search, and you have to simply search for that username. So if you can't find it here, so it means that the person has been blocked you. Or the second way is that you have to if you are if it's any same group for that person, so you just have to open the group, and in group's member section you have to try to add the person as your own friend. So if you're unable to add him as your own friend, so it might be that the person has been blocked you, or you have to retry to check the same thing. You have to check the same username in any other's profile or any your friend's mobile, and you have to check if they can find the person and you are unable to find him, so it's mean that the person has been blocked you. So in this way you can easily check if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.